Hey everybody, do you want to get your website up and running, but you're a complete beginner and you have no idea where to start? Well, don't worry, sit right back and I'm going to show you in this lesson how to get your brand new website up and running really quickly, even if you're not tech savvy at all. Hey there, I'm Susie Starkman, founder of Teaching Tech Academy. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get a WordPress site up and running in just a matter of few hours using some amazing pre-built starter websites provided by Astra Themes. And we'll also get to discussing exactly what a theme is. So if you're ready, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up, and let's get started in the lesson. Hey there, in this lesson, we're going to talk about themes and what exactly is a theme. So a theme is really a set of templates and style guides that are used to determine the look and how your WordPress website is going to run, okay? They can be easily modified or even swapped out if you don't like the theme. Think of it this way. Let's say you wanted to buy a really cool modern home and renovate it, okay? Now, when you're out looking for houses, are you out looking at Central Colonials, historic homes, maybe Tudors or ranches? No, you're out there looking for contemporary homes, something that is going to be at least get you started in the direction that you're going in. This is kind of like what a theme is. So when you're out there choosing a theme, and there are thousands, hundreds, tens of thousands of them out there, if you are looking for a theme, I suggest you find a theme that is within your niche or your idea of how you want your website to look. So if you are, for instance, a yoga instructor, there are a ton of themes out there based on health and wellness and things like that. If you're in the finance industry, there are a lot of themes that are out there that are geared toward the finance. Same with lawyers and dentists and life coaches, you name it, and restaurants and home chefs. So all you have to do is find a theme, and then that theme can be swapped out. The colors, the logo, the fonts. There's so much flexibility with the themes that once you pick a good one, it's going to save you a ton of time and money. Now, in our lesson, we are going to be installing a theme called Astra. So let's head over to my desktop and we'll start that now. All right, in order to install the Astra theme, which is one of my favorite themes out there, and I will keep discussing this later on in this lesson, we need to go to their website and download it. So in order to do that, we're going to head over to wpastra.com. And feel free to take a look around this website. I have used Astra for a couple of years now. I really think it is one of the best ones out there. They have so many options, so many templates. They integrate seamlessly with a lot of key things, like if you want an e-commerce site, integrates well with WooCommerce. If you have an online course, it integrates extremely well with LearnDash, Yoast for your SEO, Elementor, Pagewell, you name it. All right, so now let's go back and we're going to go and download this. So I'm going to say download now, and this is a free version. You're going to be presented with this pop-up. Feel free to subscribe to their newsletter. I think they are an amazing source. I love reading anything that they send me. If you're not interested, no big deal. Just hit no thanks. I just want to download Astra. Okay, so now it should be downloading. Mine, I'm on Chrome. You can see it downloading here. And now all we have to do is go back to our WordPress site, go down to Appearance, and click on Themes. Now your WordPress will come preloaded with some options for your themes. These are very generic. Don't use them. I never use these. We've got some way more heavier, more powerful themes that we can certainly use. And that's why we're using Astra. So all you have to do is say Add New, click up here, or you can go down here and see Click Add New Theme. You hit Add New. And it's going to say Upload Theme. I'm going to choose a file. But before I do that, for instance, you could go down in here and take a look at some of these themes that are offered for free. These are great. But like I said, if you're going to do Astra, I mean, it's free and it is amazing. It has a lot of almost really pre-built websites that we're going to do. Okay, so I digress. All right, so now I'm going to say choose file, and I'm going to navigate to where it is. Astra, I think it's this one, Astra Zip. I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to hit install now. Okay, so the theme package has been installed and it's successful, but we're not done yet. The last thing we need to do is click on the button Activate. Okay, so now we're back in the dashboard and we're going to scroll down to Appearance and all the way where it says Astra Options. All right, once we click on this, this is where the fun stuff is, the Import Starter Templates. All right, we're going to start some fun stuff in here. And in order to do that, we're going to scroll down where it says Install Importer Plugin. Okay, and in just a few seconds, we're going to see this next page, which is going to say Select Your Page Builder. Now, we are going to be using Elementor. It is one of the best page builders out there. And if you don't know what a page builder is, there are other ones out there, but for this purposes and for our tutorial, we are going to be using Elementor, and I'll get to be discussing that in a few more lessons, okay? So click on Elementor, and now we get all of these awesome pre-done websites. So take a look at it. We've got pet care. You want to scroll down, if you have an online course, you've got this LearnDash Academy, which is amazing. You have, it looks like a plant store. There is just so much in here. There's a restaurant. There are so many different options for templates. Now, the ones that say agency are the pro version, and let's go check out that pricing. See, the pricing is, I think it's around $47. Yes, it's $47, and that's a one-time fee. So you don't need to keep paying that every month or once a year. Now, if you do want to keep updated, like updates, then you will have to update it every year. But if not, your site will not break. All right, let's see what else. Got a travel agency, consulting firms. You get the idea. Let's open up one of the free versions, shall we? And if we wanted to just search for the free ones, we can just go up here and select free. Okay, that narrows it down nicely for us. Okay, let's try going to Life Coach. So I'm going to click on this Life Coach. And this site comes pre-loaded with 5 professionally designed pages. Okay, it's got the home page, the About, Work with Me, Books, Contact page, and you can click on each one to see, or if you prefer, all you have to do is go to Preview Life Coach site. Okay, so this is the actual demo of this site. And you could go through. Now, don't worry about the colors, or maybe you don't like some of these icons. All of this is customizable, but it gives you a head start. If you don't like these squiggly lines, those can be straightened out. They can be removed. Everything is customizable, but the thing is, the key point I want you to understand is it gives you a huge head start in creating your website. So if you just have a couple of hours and you have your content, you could have a site up and running. Even if you went to the pro version, which is $49, you could have this thing up and running in a couple of hours for only $49. Okay, so let's go back to the templates. All right, now suppose we want to go ahead and install this. All we need to do is import complete site. Now, if I only wanted to import maybe the Work With Me page or the home page, I have the option just to do that page, but I want to import the complete site. So all we need to do is click this button, Import Complete Site. Now, we don't have any other previous site, but if we had one and we were trying it out and testing it, it would automatically delete whatever was in there, which is fine. Just leave it as is. It's really, you want all of these settings. You want to import the content, that's up to you. If you want the pictures just to be as placeholders or the text, I say go for it. Import all their content and you're going to swap it out anyhow, but at least it's like a nice placeholder. Okay, now hit import. Okay, it can take a few minutes, but once it's all done, you'll get this notification that it is imported successfully. All right, now let's go to View Site. And here it is. This is it on my URL. All I need to do is dive in and start customizing it. And we will be doing that using Elementor Page Builder, and we will get to that in another lesson. I'll see you then.